Welcome, eToro partners near and far. Let's explore some of the awesome marketing materials available to you on our eToro Creative section and how to use them. After you register and get your Affiliate Manager stamp of approval, enter the Creative section to find a wealth of marketing materials. Here you'll find banners, widgets with updated market prices for various assets, or results of eToro's selection of popular investors. Also, landing pages and videos with a built-in banner that includes your tracking link. Basically, all you need to take your campaign to the next level. These materials come in all shapes, sizes, and languages, so make sure to choose the ones that best suit your specific campaign needs. Note that some languages have more than one option in accordance with regulation. So if you're starting a campaign in Spain, for example, be careful not to use Latin American Spanish. Besides the materials, the most important element in running a marketing campaign is being able to properly track your performance and traffic. So after selecting the right language and creative thingamajig, copy and paste the relevant link. You will notice that it contains your tracking code, which is made up of your affiliate ID number and the creative type number. That is our way of tracking the traffic you generate. Finally, in the tracking link section, you can add campaign names to your links by choosing a landing page and giving it a name, also known as a serial ID. Having different campaign names will help you keep better track of each campaign statistics in the My Report section. That's it. Short and sweet. Happy campaigning, thanks for watching, and see you on eToro.